Hey viewers, in a previous video I showed how to easily remove hair that's trapped inside your shower grate. Now once you've done that, if you notice there's a fair bit of soap scum, then I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. Now if you have a high pressure hose, that'll probably do the job. Otherwise you could try soaking it inside your laundry tub. But if like me it's not big enough, then I'm going to show you an alternate method. So my laundry tub's not big enough to hold a grate. I thought, what else can I put it in? Well, why not use the channel itself? So what I do is put it in upside down, so face down. Okay, now you want to make sure you have a tool of some sort to pull it back out, so it doesn't get stuck. All right, so try and get it in there. Okay, mine's in flat now, and I have this tool which actually came with it that you can pull the grate back up. If you don't have something like that, perhaps tie a wire through one of the fins there so then you can pull it back up. And then what we're going to do is you can either mix of vinegar, water, or go something a bit harsher. And even though there's a drain, it should still soak the grate. So I'm just going to use a mix of bleach and water, and just spray the whole thing. So once you've done that, then I'm going to give it a light scrub with a toothbrush, okay, and just scrub up and down. So I'll do that, and I'll come back once I've done enough of it. Okay, I've sprayed the entire thing. As you can see, it sits there even though there is a drain. Now you could also use some kind of mold remover if you wanted. Ideally try with vinegar as it's not so toxic. Okay, now once I've done that, I'm going to just scrub the fins. It is a little bit of work, but you'll get a better result. Or you could just leave it and come back and see what's left to scrub off. Okay. Alright, so I've given it a bit of a scrub, and now I'm going to leave it for about 20 minutes or so and come back and rinse it off. So it's been sitting for about 20 minutes. I'm now going to run a little bit of water and then give it a quick scrub with a toothbrush just to loosen anything that's left. And then I'll give it a proper rinse. Now, as I said, I prefer to use vinegar. I haven't cleaned this for a while, so it's quite grimy. So I've gone for the bleach. In particular, it's this Domestos multi-purpose one. But this video is not about what product to use, it's more about the idea of using the channel to hold the grate while you soak it if you don't have anything large enough to do so. I'm just going to run a little bit of water and then give it a scrub. Okay, so as it's filling up, I'm just going to go up and down this whole grate now, just really quickly. I'm not going to record it all. Now you might be able to see that the water level is kind of up to the top of those metal bars there. So I might let it sit for a little while and then I'll rinse it off. Okay, it's rinsing away. I'll just turn the grate back over, and when I have the shower next time, it'll wash away. Okay, so I've rinsed it off, and now I'm going to use the tool to pull the grate out from the channel. Just be careful when you do so. It can be a little slippery. You don't want to damage your tiles or even the shower screen. Okay, so I've got the grate out of the channel. If you remember from the beginning of the video, there was quite a bit of soap scum along here. That's mostly all gone. So it's done a pretty good job, not 100%, but better than it was before. So that wraps it up. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.